Alright guys, your essential question for today is how do we add and subtract polynomials? Well, the great thing about polynomials is that the way that we add or subtract polynomials is you simply combine your like terms. So let's go ahead and take a look at two examples. Here's the first one. Let's say I wanted you to add these two polynomials. So 2x cubed plus 9 minus x and 5x squared plus 4 plus 7x plus x cubed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look for my like terms. I notice I have a 9 plus a 4, so that'll give me 13. I have a 2x cubed and a 1x cubed, so that's going to give me 3x cubed. I have nothing to add to my 5x squared, but then I notice that I have a negative 1x plus 7x, so that'll be 6x. Now the thing is that I want to write this in descending order, so the degree of this monomial is 0, the degree of this monomial is 3, the degree of this monomial is 2, and the degree of this monomial is 1. So my highest degree is 3, so I'm going to write this 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x plus 13. There's my answer, and I would call this a cubic polynomial. Alright, one more. Take a look at this one. Let's say I wanted you to subtract these two polynomials. Just remember when you subtract to change the signs in the second one. So the first polynomial is going to stay the same, but when I change my signs, this positive x squared is going to become a negative, this positive x is going to become a negative, this positive x is going to become, this negative x is going to become a positive. Now you can combine your like terms. 3 minus 6 would be negative 3, negative 2x minus 1x squared would be negative 3x squared, and then there's nothing to combine with the x. Write it in descending order though, it would be negative 3x squared plus x minus 3, and then there's my answer, and this is what we call a quadratic, because it's a degree 2, trinomial, because there's 3 terms. This has a degree of 2 and a lead coefficient of negative 3. And that's it for today.